Welcome to Drive Time, the destination for passionate automotive enthusiasts. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the hot hatch world with a car that's small in size but big on personality, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth. It's fast, it's fun, and it's more refined than ever. So buckle up as we explore what makes this Italian pocket rocket a serious contender in 2025's performance compact segment. Reinventing the icon. The Fiat 500 has always stood out with its iconic retro-inspired look, but the Abarth edition transforms the city-friendly commuter into something far more exhilarating. For 2025, Fiat has kept the signature design cues, rounded headlights, compact silhouette, and charming proportions, but sharpened the edges with subtle aggressive tweaks. A new honeycomb grille, LED lighting with a scorpion-inspired pattern, flared arches, and dual exhaust tips make it clear this is no ordinary 500. The Abarth badge proudly displayed front and rear is not just for show. It's a promise of performance. Interior and luxury. Inside, the 2025 Abarth strikes a balance between performance-focused design and everyday comfort. Bucket-style sport seats with red contrast stitching and the signature Scorpion logo offer solid lateral support during spirited driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, and brushed aluminum pedals complete the sporty ambience. Technology hasn't been overlooked either. A crisp 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster joins a new 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen running Fiat's latest iConnect system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and built-in navigation come standard. The cabin feels more premium and cohesive, reflecting Fiat's commitment to elevating the Abarth brand. Engine powertrain. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth gets a significant upgrade. The traditional turbocharged 1.4-liter engine has been replaced with a new one. 5-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing a punchy 180 horsepower and 210 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a lightweight chassis and an updated 6-speed manual transmission, or an optional dual-clutch automatic, this car delivers a surprisingly thrilling experience. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just 6.4 seconds, and top speed nudges 140 miles per hour, placing it comfortably among the top performers in the subcompact category. Abarth has also fine-tuned the suspension setup, offering stiffer springs and improved anti-roll bars, allowing for tight cornering and reduced body roll. Add to that a sport-tuned exhaust that crackles and pops on downshifts, and you've got a symphony of turbocharged attitude every time you hit the throttle. Electrified option, the e-Abarth. For 2025, Fiat has also introduced an electric Abarth 500e, available alongside the traditional gasoline-powered variant in select markets. It offers up to 153 horsepower, instant torque, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 7 seconds, not far off from its gas sibling. A dedicated Scorpion track mode boosts responsiveness, and regenerative braking adds to the performance feel. With a range of around 170 miles and fast charging capability, the 500e Abarth provides an exciting glimpse into the future of electric hot hatches, without sacrificing fun or heritage. Safety and practicality. While performance is the Abarth's headline, Fiat hasn't forgotten about safety and daily usability. The 2025 model comes standard with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Despite its compact dimensions, the 500 Abarth offers decent cargo space for city life, with rear seats that fold down to create a surprisingly functional load area. It's not a family car, but for urban professionals or enthusiasts looking for a weekend thrill, it checks all the boxes. Pricing and rivals. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth starts at an estimated $28,000 for the base gas variant, while the electric Abarth 500e begins around $34,000 depending on trim and market. That puts it squarely in competition with cars like the Hyundai i20N, Volkswagen Polo GTI, and Mini Cooper S. However, the Abarth offers something uniquely Italian: raw character, flamboyant styling, and a personality that's hard to replicate. It's less about lap times and more about the emotional connection between car and driver. Final verdict. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth proves once again that performance doesn't have to come in a large, expensive package. With bold styling, improved performance, and an electrified future already in motion, the Abarth continues to evolve while staying true to its roots. It may be small, but it leaves a big impression, and whether you're carving through mountain roads or navigating tight city streets, the 500 Abarth delivers joy in every gear. Thanks for tuning in to Drive Time. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and stay with us for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars, bikes, and everything in between. Until next time, drive smart, drive fast, and always enjoy the ride.